Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have Vscode and Git installed. Open the project folder now and press Ctrl+ to reveal the integrated terminal. First, run git version to confirm Git is available, then set your identity with git config global user. Name your name and git config global user. Email you at example. Com so commits attribute correctly. Once done, initialize a repo with git init or clone an existing one with git clone URL. Make sure to save files you want tracked, but you'll now move changes through the Git workflow. Run git status to inspect modified files, then stage with git add file or git add for everything. Once staged, commit using git commit m concise message so history stays understandable. If this is a new repo, add a remote with git remote add origin URL. Once connected, push your branch using git push uorigin main to set up stream. Make sure to pull first when collaborating to avoid conflicts. You'll want to isolate work on branches. Create one with git checkout b feature /name and return with git checkout main. When ready, fetch and integrate remote updates using git pull rebase origin main to keep a linear history. Merge or rebase your branch, then push and create a PR. If you hit conflicts, open the conflicted files in Vscode, resolve markers, then git add the files and git commit. Once resolved, git push will succeed. One tip: if push is rejected, pull and rebase before pushing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.